Guys, welcome back to the class. Now there is another error which says warehouse movement type 501 not allowed for warehouse number RCC. I am getting this error while doing the GR without PO for my warehouse location. And if I'll see this message once again, I can clearly understand this is something which relate with the warehouse activities. Okay. So to resolve this error, we need to have open one another screen for SAP Easy Access, and I'll go to the SPRO. Then click on the implementation guide. I can click on the logistic execution. Then I'll go to the warehouse management. Under warehouse management, I can see there is one tab which is activities. So expand this tab. Then click on the transfers, and the third option define movement type. Okay, so guys, this is one of the key activity in warehouse module, or maybe I'll show you by double clicking on one of the warehouse line item. You can see we need to provide warehouse number, then the respective movement type, then there is a screen control for TOs. I can provide the print informations, and there are many more things. Okay, so definitely we will be covering this topic and this screen in detail in our future video. But since we are here to do the good receipt and we received one error, so my focus is to resolve that error first. Okay, so what I'll do, the best way is I'll search for any movement type which is already there with 501, and I can see this is by default, the by default configuration provided by SAP. So what I'll do, I'll copy this line item. So I'll select this line and I'll click on the copy button. Okay, and simply I'll change my warehouse number in the top, and rest of the information I'll remove it because that is not relevant for me at this point of time. Might be in future I'll update this information once again. Okay, so TO confirmation I'll remove, but I'll keep TO creation. If I'll go to the magnifier glass, I can see there are three options: preparation screen for placement into stock, preparation screen for stock removal, and single item screen. So most of the time we will be using first option only. So I'll select first and I'll press enter button. So I'll wait for system response here. So I can see a number of entries copied once, so that means my warehouse has been extended to the movement type of 501 now. Perfect. So I can see this line. Great. So what I'll do, I'll click, maybe I'll enter /n in order to go back to the SAP Easy Access screen, and I'll go to the error screen now. I'll click continue button, and maybe to check further I'll click on the check option here. So guys, now there is another error, storage bin RCC does not exist, check your entry. So we will resolve this error in next video. Till the time, do the practice. In case if you have any question, maybe you can send that question over the email, or you can also use chat section as well. If you like the video, then hit the like button, share this video and subscribe my channel. And guys, do the practice. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for listening me. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye bye.